3 साल के लिए आंखें तरस गई प्रियंका को देखने के लिए. Oh. You are looking ravishing and fantastic. PC, we're going to give you some pictures first. I'll take the mic across. I love it. I love it. Okay, boys. Now the boys are waiting. Priyanka, congratulations on everything.
Kept a lot of our loved ones away, and bas ghar aana is like nothing else. To see all of you guys here, to see your support means so much to me.
And these people have been here for a while and they're loving every moment. Biggest round of applause for Priyanka.
Biggest round of applause for you.
You know, but the great thing is that you've always been so perfect with figuring out the future. यार business अगर सीखना है तो प्रियंका से सीखना चाहिए. But you know, you got business with a heart. And anomaly is business with a heart. I really like that. People talk about it, you walk the talk. You know, just fantastic. This brand is awesome. The idea of it is also awesome. Would love to hear about Anomaly and you as well to start things off.
You know, it's really weird. मुझे आदत है Palladium आके movies के बारे में बात करना. You know, गाने बज रहे हैं और मैं डांस कर रही हूँ. But इस बार मैं सोच रही थी सुबह कि क्या मैं प्रोडक्ट फेंकूंगी? You know,
They'll catch.
सर पे लगेगा किसी का. But I was like, मैं करूँ क्या? मेरे को प्रमोट करना नहीं आता ब्रांड एक ऐसे माहौल में. But the one thing I will say is, Anomaly breaks a lot of barriers. 2 साल पहले अमेरिका में लॉन्च किया था हमने. And it was my dream to bring it back to India. क्योंकि दुनिया नहीं समझती है जो हम लोग जानते हैं in India. 70% of the wigs in the world are Indian hair. Why? Because we have the best hair in the world. And that only comes from हमारी मम्मियाँ हमें ना नीचे बैठा के जो तेल लगाती थी और चोटियाँ बना के स्कूल भेजती थी उसकी वजह से.
But you know, Priyanka,
And this is the ethos of that. For you too.
Yeah, some boys in the front, तुम्हारी मम्मी ने चंपी नहीं दिया बचपन में.
चंपी देना जरूरी. अपने बेटों को जरूर चंपी देना. सिर्फ बेटियों को नहीं. But this brand is for all hair types. जिसके पास बाल है, किसके पास बाल है सर पे? तो आप सबके लिए. जिनके पास नहीं है आपके लिए मैं स्किन केयर लाइन लॉन्च करूंगी.
It's awesome, you know, but she also said that I want to make it a little fun. मैंने जो time pass तुम्हारे साथ किया है ना, that's nothing. We're going to play something fantastic right now. You know, before we move into hectic stuff, you want to start with a little game that we've got planned?
Yeah, I need your. Are you guys interested in having a little bit of fun with me? मैं नाच वाच नहीं सकती अभी because मेरे पास गाना नहीं है कोई नया वाला. I have to do a new movie for that. But I thought we could have a little bit of fun. You explain it, Sal.
Very simple. Okay. मैं कुछ clues दिखाऊंगा on the screen. Okay. Main word Priyanka has to guess और आप लोग इनको help करोगे. Right?
तो heads up खेला है कभी किसी ने?
खेला है?
तो डम शराज भी खेला है?
Wow.
इस बार अपने voice use कर सकते हो. You can actually tell me. Give me clues, okay?
Okay.
The word is behind you,
But
behind me.
no screaming. No screaming. No screaming the word.
Don't say the word. Yeah.
So first we're going to give the clues and after 2-3 clues since अब सबने खेला ना heads up.
And
So
I
can-
don't know this word, okay? I don't know these words.
So let's have the clue first up on stage on the big screen. Priyanka can't say, don't say the name of the word. Okay, the clues. We'll try and see if you can help her out. Okay, ready? Guys, come on. This side. Okay, here.
जल्दी
Jaldi
timing.
batao. Tell me.
अरे
Arey,
word
not the
बोलना नहीं है,
word.
guys.
The clue. The clue. The clue.
Bal.
The clue. जैसे कि
Bal.
है गरम. And what else? What else?
Massage in your
हाँ.
oil massage.
और थोड़ी देर पहले
मम्मी देती है oil massage.
नहीं मम्मी से बड़ा कौन
तीखा.
कौन
तीखा massage.
तीखा मसाज.
तीखा massage. ये कैसा massage है?
Okay, जल्दी बताओ. You tell me.
हिंदी में चंपी.
Yay!
तो
Okay.
head massage हिंदी में चंपी.
Okay, perfect. Now don't give me the main word. यहाँ सब वही बता देंगे पहले. Let me have the next clues, please. The
Okay.
next clues only. Okay, stop right there. Guys, चलो clues बताओ. अरे आपको guess नहीं करना है, इनको guess करना है. Come on, next. So we've got.
Milk.
Come on, help. दूध का बताओ. Cow.
Hair color.
कौन सा?
Black.
Hair color.
White.
Hair color.
Your hair color.
Blonde.
No. Darker.
Brown.
Yes. Okay, something else.
Brown.
सुबह उठ के what do you drink?
Milk.
हाँ तो दूध के साथ में नहीं वो
हवा?
नहीं.
तुम तो गलती वाले बोल रही हो मुझे.
खाना किस में पकाते हैं?
हाँ, खाना
किस
चूल्हे
में
पे.
नहीं. खाने में क्या डालते हैं? उसको फ्राई करने के लिए.
Milk.
नहीं खाने को.
घी.
घी का एक और वर्जन.
तेल.
Yes.
तेल.
Okay.
Oil.
So ब्राउन और तेल आ गया. और मुंबई में क्या नहीं है?
ये क्यों
मुंबई में
डिसाइड
क्या
किया
नहीं
मैंने?
दिखता है?
दूध. Water.
Yes. So you got oil, you got brown, you got water. मुंबई में क्या नहीं दिखता है जो हम लोग तरस जाते हैं? जिसमें हमारे फेफड़े जो हैं, हमें कुछ.
Oxygen.
Yes, but वो कहाँ से आता है?
हवा.
नहीं, जो जमीन से.
Trees.
Yes, trees. Yes. Okay. So we got oil, we got brown, we got water, we got trees, we got milk. और वो गाना कौन सा है? बहुत. Second half.
हाँ?
बहुत. Loudly. बहुत hard. So that's the word. Can you get it? Water, brown, oil, milk, tea, hard. कुछ हुआ? PC. Okay, let me have the word. Don't turn around. Don't tell the right word.
Okay.
कुछ मिला? अरे जो साउथ इंडियन खाने में थाई फूड में जो यूज होता है, थाई फूड में ऐसे गोल.
नारियल. Coconut.
Yes.
Coconut. Great.
Imagine
Great.
it took us to say this.
मेरे को तो पसीने आ गए.
सर फोड़ते हैं हम लोग कोकोनट से. That's exactly. Okay, I've got one more. I want to play with you.
Last one.
more. Last one. Ready? Show the clues. Show me the clues. Okay, guys, ready? This is easy. वो मास्क वाला किधर है? Without a mask now. Mask.
COVID.
Yes. Okay, one. COVID एक दूसरा.
Nobody got so excited about saying COVID.
Why you wear mask?
Protection.
Another word for it.
Safety.
Yes.
Yay. Okay.
Third. बहुत hard का opposite. बहुत hard.
Long hair.
बहुत hard opposite.
Soft.
Yes.
Gentle. Soft.
देखा, I got it. Okay, 3. COVID safety soft. Can we have the word at the back? Okay, what is it? What you wear?
The mask.
Yes.
Oh,
All
hair
right,
mask,
Talia,
guys,
everybody,
hair
for
mask.
helping out
Great
Priyanka. Big round
job,
of
you
applause.
guys. Very, very good on you.
I like it. So this was a nice little game that we played, and we've got 3 winners actually. None of you, आप में से कोई नहीं है. But Palladium, thank you so much. Big round of applause to Palladium. जो आप लोग hospitality ले रहे हैं. We've got 3 winners, Priyanka. I'd like to call them on stage so we can take a little picture. Priyanka is her name as well. Priyanka, Malika,
have a really nice
and
name,
Monil.
Priyanka.
Can I have you on stage? Priyanka, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. तालियां. इन लोगों ने contest जीता जो पहले online खेला था. And they actually, guys, thank you so much. Please
Thank
do
you
take a
so
seat.
much. Thank you.
This way. This will be easier to go.
Yeah, that might be a big jump.
Yeah. You want to play another game? Not enough. Thank you so much, Priyanka. It was such a pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to play another game? पीछे वाले को नहीं खेलना है.
Salil.
Do you want to play another game? Do you want to play another game? That's so much better. अब ये game, because your brand is so much about recycling and making sure it's all good, हम लोग के पास plastic bottles है. Plastic bottles का हम लोग relay system करेंगे. So प्रियंका की एक टीम होगी, मेरी एक टीम होगी, दो लोग, हम लोग जो मैं पीछे ऐसे घूम रहा था, मैंने 4 लोग चुन लिए हैं.
Oh.
और हम लोग ऐसे bottles को लेके बॉक्स में डालेंगे. We're going to throw it in the garbage.
और हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because
Yes.
I'll tell you, Anomaly की हर bottle plastic trash से बनी है. And on front
Big
of the
round of
bottle I've
applause.
written,
Big round of applause.
every bottle And because we've made it from trash, we can also recycle it, which means keep jo plastic hai duniya mein, it's gonna go away much faster than it would have, you know? So who's on my team? Because
So
that's
guys,
gonna win.
that we've chosen in the pack. Now let me go rummage. Can we have the 4
मैंने
chosen
तो
winners
चलने
please
भी
on
किया।
stage? Come. All right.
Hi, what's your name?
Come. Big round of applause for Varuna.
That's Varuna. Hi.
अरे वीडियो ही लेते रहोगे या कुछ तालियां भी मारोगे यार?
Akash.
ये सब ऐसे ही
तेजा।
सबका सेम वीडियो आएगा कल.
Hi, what's your name? Insha.
Come.
All right,
So
let's do
guys,
it.
very simple. 2 of you come this side. Yeah. So Priyanka, one team is here, my one team is there. You have to go there. No, Priyanka, you're here. The 2 of you go that side. Yeah. So left and right. Very simple. Okay? I'm going to take this out. They're going to take these plastic bottles. Give me the other 2 boxes. Can I have the boxes, please? Quickly. Can I have the boxes? ये लोग प्लास्टिक बॉटल उठाएंगे, बॉक्स में डालेंगे, जिसके सब ज्यादा यहाँ पे हुए, वो विजेता. Simple. You all look confused. ये ऐसा उठाया, ऐसे भागे और ऐसे डाला.
कहाँ पे?
फिर हाँ नहीं. अच्छा उधर है. अच्छा इधर आओ. उल्टा हो गया.
मैं होस्ट करूँ या सालिन?
चलो उधर डालो इसमें. रेडी? इसमें डालना है.
She's so right. She's like, लेकिन मेरे पीछे है box.
नहीं, मैंने शिफ्ट कर दिया ना पहले. Are you ready?
चलो guys, which is
With music?
Who's in my? Let's get
Now
it.
tap him. 4 by 100. और फिर ऐसा.
You know what? I think
was a
Salin,
little bit
A
difficult.
for effort.
Yes.
A for effort. You guys crushed it. Thank you so much.
Well done. Come in
Everybody
the middle,
wins.
guys.
Everyone wins for
This
this.
one was a little different. It's okay. We'll watch some more Olympics. Neeraj Chopra is jeet raha hai na. We have to win some more athletics. They'll do the javelin throw. Actually, we'll help you with the javelin throw. Why don't you all come over here? And Priyanka's also going to help us out with the javelin throw. You know what it is? I'm going to give you some t-shirts. I'm going to throw it out there. Would that, yeah. Are you ready? Come. Keep them here. Wait, I'll call you. Stay. Well tried. Well played, well tried.
Thank you so much.
That picture is worth a 3-year wait. Bring the t-shirts in.
So I signed some of these, and I thought this will be better.
Wait.
I thought this will be better to throw than products.
They're signed, huh? They're all signed.
Okay, ready? One at the back.
Slowly. Priyanka, this side is neglected. This side is a bit neglected. The other side. Oh! In the middle, no man's land. Hey, cheating. Some more. Yeah. Okay, ready? Careful, slowly. Ah, sir. I love it. Okay, wait. That was man. You've been such a brilliant businesswoman. Some tips for everybody here. You know how we can actually start something.
Just be safe out there, guys. Don't keep pushing yourselves. हाँ,
Guys,
किसी को चोट लग जाएगी.
Slow down.
T-shirts खत्म हो गए. किसी को
अभी-
चोट लग जाएगी. मैं कह रही हूँ.
Bottle
Just
फेंक
be
नहीं
a little-
सकते. है ना? So we'll give you later. But just before you know your words of wisdom, how do you start a business? So many of us have failed. And in COVID, we all thought we were entrepreneurs. It's not true. किसने try किया business? Successful हुआ. है ना? So then what do we do?
Find the gap in the market. You know?
Yeah.
Like, what is the white space? क्या नहीं था?
Correct.
So, like for Anomaly, जो हमारे formulas है, you would have paid at least 4 times the amount for those formulas. I can't say the names of the other brands जो आपने खरीदे होते.
Right.
But why I could make our formulas so superior is because I didn't spend anything on packaging. My packaging is made from recycled plastic trash. Each cap is only 3 cents. So it's
Wow.
so cheap that I had extra budget to make superior product. And it's sustainable and it is clean. It doesn't have any like mineral oil. Mineral oil गाड़ी में होना चाहिए, आपके शैम्पू में नहीं. तो अगली बार ingredient पढ़ना जब बालों में डालने वाले हो तो. Yeah.
I want to take a lovely picture also. Can I get a camera?
Wait,
आप लोग, yeah,
I'll
we'll take
take
a
a
lovely selfie with everyone. Guys, put your arms up with
Hi.
everybody. Photo bombing Priyanka Chopra's pictures. Loving it.
Thank you so much,
Big round of
everyone.
applause.
Thank you for waiting. Thank you for coming out to support. Thank you for always being so wonderful. And just your smiles. It's so nice to come back home and see all
When are
of
you coming back?
Next year.
Next year.
Next year is in 2 months.
Oh. Thank you so much, PC. Big.
Bye. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
We love you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Start the music, Baba. Play music. Please, let's just go easy. Go a little bit slower. A little slow. आराम से. I'll show you. But just go a little आराम से. Little.